Hello everyone, this is Mario from Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Breville PES 900 XL if I'm not mistaken. For this machine, we had to replace the collar insert, this one that you see right here. Unfortunately for this one, this part over here is completely worn out. You can see it from the plastic base as well. The whole plastic ring completely shave off. Let me see, you can kind of look it. There you go. Focus. Completely shave off. That was preventing the portafilter from actually latching in and making a good seal. We had to replace the entire thing because the one that is inside is a newer version. This one was not compatible anymore, so we had to replace both of those parts. And yeah, that's what we did with this espresso machine. We cleaned it up a little bit, made sure everything was working the way it's supposed to, that there were no leaks on the steam boiler or leaks on the brew boiler as well. So as you can see, machine is already up to pressure at 200 degrees, as you can see there, working perfectly fine. And now let's do a test shot. I am using our test coffee, so hopefully I pick up the right grind settings on this machine. Otherwise, you're gonna see drip coffee or coffee barely dripping. Going to the pressure, to the optimal zone on the pressure gauge. Nice steady stream coming out from the portafilter. Good color as well. Even though we're using our test coffee, which is being on a container like this. Basically, Sansi was right here, so it definitely is not fresh anymore. Even though we're using that test coffee, we still got a little bit layer of crema. Great color. Good crema. Working perfectly fine. No leaks coming out from the portafilter. Portafilter touching properly and detaching properly as well. Pre-infusion looking amazing. Takes approximately 6 to 8 seconds of pre-infusion, and then the pump ramps up and starts doing the extraction process. As you can see, working perfectly fine. Portafilter attaching properly as well. Hot water with a nice steady stream. And steam pressure working amazing. So there you have it. Breville working once again and ready to brew. Thank you so much for preparing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Hit the like, hit the bell, and thanks for watching.